If you're trying to hold a property for 2 years, right? 3 years, now the unknown is really unknown.
There's just not enough time.
Right, exactly.
Hey, it's Kevin Amolsch, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on YouTube. Please hit subscribe and hit that notification button so you get notified each time we have brand new content. I got an awesome, special, amazing guest with me today, Mr. Justin Cooper. What's up, Justin?
How are you, Kevin?
I'm fantastic. He is awesome. So we want to talk today about investing in real estate, and is now a good time to do that. You know, there's a lot of fear in the economy now, Justin. There's high inflation, high interest rates. People are concerned that there's going to be softening in the markets. What do you think, man? Is this a good time to be even looking or considering investing in real estate?
I think that's a great question, Kevin. I think a lot of people we talk to, right? We're hard money lenders. We talk to people all day, every day about investing in real estate. And this is a question we're getting more and more often. Should I even be trying to get into this right now? The short answer is it depends, right? We hear that all the time, unfortunately, in this industry, but it really does, right? So one of the big questions I think to tie into it depends, and how do we answer that, is what are your goals? Right? What are you trying to accomplish? Why are you thinking about investing in real estate? Are these long-term goals, owning rentals, having a lot of equity and cash flow? Are you looking for the short-term gains of maybe wholesaling and flipping contracts? Are you looking for big dollars in the form of fix and flips? And once you understand maybe what you're trying to get out of it, then what can you contribute to it? What kind of skills do you have? Are you really good managing people? And so maybe a fix and flip and managing contractors would fit you. Are you really good at selling and negotiating? Maybe wholesaling does make sense for you. Maybe you want to stay behind the scenes, not be in the picture, have nothing to do with real estate or investing or selling or people. And then maybe rentals is okay if you have a property manager, right? But if you're going to manage them yourself, you still have to interact with people. So what do you bring to the equation that will help you invest in real estate? Or what are you interested in? And what skills can I lean into and learn to make myself a better investor?
So I think that's all fantastic information and absolutely accurate. And if you guys are curious about your specific situation, give us a call. I'm sure you'd jump on a phone call with someone and talk about their situation, their deals, and what you feel is best. But a lot of people, Coop, ask me, is a good time to buy and hold? Like, so fixing and flipping, you're kind of buying and selling in the same market generally if you're rehabbing it quickly. But to hold a property for long term, what do you think?
I think, again, it is a great time right now. Even with all the changes in the economy going on, if you're trying to hold a rental, generally what people are doing is holding rentals for the long term, right? 5, 10, 30 years. If you're trying to hold a property for 2 years, right? 3 years, now the unknown is really unknown.
There's just not enough time.
Right, exactly. Because if the market turns on a fix and flip, like you were saying, you're doing it really quickly. So if the market's changing, generally we don't go over a cliff in the real estate market. So if you buy, fix, and sell quickly, you're still somewhat in the same price ranges. But if you're buying for the long term and you're holding it for 30 years, we may have some ups and downs in the market, but generally over the past 40, 50, 70 years we've been tracking, we're always going up. So if you're holding for the long term, it absolutely makes sense. Same thing with rents, not just the value of the property, but rents will be going up over time. Right. So all of that makes sense. If you're buying now for that long term, as long as you have good metrics, you're doing good due diligence and understanding the numbers, now can be an absolutely amazing time to buy property.
Yeah, some of the best advice I've gotten is you're not going to time the market, right? So if you're sitting on the sidelines waiting for the cliff or the crash, as you describe it, I don't know if it's coming. So people have been saying, I've been waiting for the cliff for 10 years or 5 years, and they're still waiting. What would they have been able to do in those 5 or 10 years? So I guess we agree that it's always a good time to buy if you're buying good, solid projects and with a good plan or horizon.
Absolutely.
All right, well, give us a call. Justin, love to jump on a phone call with you, 303-835-4445, or you could check us out at pinefinancialgroup.com.